Built in 2005, this furnished 3-bedroom/2-bath/2-car garage home has the perfect floor plan. From the screened entry, step into the L-shaped living/dining area, with a cathedral ceiling and ceiling fan, creating a spacious feeling. The pocket sliding glass doors open onto the lanai from the dining area. Galley Kitchen features G smooth top stove, G microwave, 2023, G dishwasher, 2016, and refrigerator. There's a small breakfast bar so you can enjoy your cup of coffee in the morning. The family room adjoins the kitchen area and makes for a great TV room, with sliding glass doors to the lanai also. The primary suite has a vaulted ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, another set of sliding glass doors to the lanai and ensuite bath, offering a double basin vanity and woman shower. Both guest bedrooms are of a good size, with wall closets and ceiling fans. The guest bath has a combo tub/shower and an exterior door. Inside laundry room has plenty of room for storage, with Kenmore front-load washer, plus dryer, and utility tub. The 2-car garage has pull-down stairs for easy attic access and an extra refrigerator. Sprinkler system on well will keep your lawn looking nice and not cost you an arm and a leg for city water. Nicely sized lanai has a ceiling fan to keep the air moving around, and the patio is a great place for your grill and chaise lounges to sunbathe. ROTONDA West is a deed-restricted community.